You crave acceleration. You yearn for a driving experience that pushes your limits, that ignites your senses. Enter the 2025 BMW 4 Series. This isn't just a car. It's a force of nature. A precision instrument, honed for the thrill of the chase. The scene cuts to a polished showroom. The silver 4 Series sits center stage, bathed in spotlights. We get a closer look at the car's aggressive stance, the wide kidney grille, and the sleek LED headlights. The driver from before steps out, a confident air about her, but a beast needs beauty to match its brawn. The 4 Series design is a head-turner, perfect harmony of sculpted lines and athletic proportions. It's a statement of individuality, a declaration that you refuse to blend in with the crowd. Interior design. We move inside the car. The luxurious cabin is a blend of premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The driver slides into the comfortable, supportive seats, her fingers brushing against the sleek touchscreen infotainment system. Slide inside and surround yourself in a world of comfort and sophistication. The driver-centric cockpit puts everything you need at your fingertips. Premium materials caress your touch, while the latest tech keeps you connected and informed. Technology showcase. The driver interacts with the infotainment system, effortlessly navigating the menus. The large central display comes alive with vivid graphics. The 4 Series isn't just about power and looks. It's a technological marvel. The new iDrive 8.5 infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, keeping you entertained and informed on the go. Advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control enhance your safety and confidence behind the wheel. Back on the mountain road. We return to the mountain road. The driver expertly navigates a series of switchbacks, the car hugging the curves with incredible precision. The engine growls with power as she accelerates out of corners. But beneath the luxurious facade lies a beating heart. The 4 Series boasts 2 engine options, both enhanced for 2025. The 430i features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, now equipped with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that delivers an extra boost of power and improved efficiency. Engine performance. The scene cuts to a montage of the car on various terrains. A winding coastal highway, a bustling city street, a secluded country road. The engine note changes depending on the driving mode, showcasing the car's versatility. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the M440i is your weapon of choice. This potent machine packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, now bolstered by the mild hybrid system for a thrilling 386 horsepower. Every press of the pedal translates into exhilarating forward thrust, pinning you to the seat and leaving a grin plastered on your face. Driver enjoyment. The driver throws her head back in laughter as the car rockets down a straight stretch of road. The pure joy of driving is etched on her face. The 4 Series isn't just a car. It's an extension of yourself. It anticipates your needs, responds to your every command, and becomes a partner in your driving adventures. It's a car that reignites your passion for the open road. A car that makes every journey an unforgettable experience. The 4 Series pulls back into the showroom. The driver steps out, a satisfied smile playing on her lips. Are you ready to awaken your driving spirit? Are you ready to command the road? Then the 2025 BMW 4 Series awaits. Visit your local BMW dealer today and experience the thrill for yourself. We cut to a racetrack. The silver 4 Series, now sporting a more aggressive look with optional M performance parts, tears down the straightaway. The 4 Series isn't just about straight-line speed. It's a car built for precision handling. The expertly tuned suspension and sharp steering deliver an exhilarating driving experience that puts you in complete control. For the ultimate performance edge, the M440i offers an optional M Sport package that includes an electronically controlled limited slip differential. This intelligent system optimizes power delivery to each rear wheel, ensuring exceptional grip and handling, especially during aggressive cornering. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or navigating a winding racetrack, the 4 Series inspires confidence and begs to be pushed to its limits. The scene transitions to a bustling cityscape. The 4 Series navigates through traffic with ease. The driver uses the car's adaptive cruise control to maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. But the 4 Series isn't just a weekend warrior. It's also a capable and comfortable daily driver. The well-insulated cabin keeps out road noise, while the spacious cargo area allows you to handle your everyday errands with ease. Parking in tight city streets is a breeze thanks to the available surround view camera system and parking sensors. And those long commutes become a pleasure with the car's premium sound system and comfortable seating. The 4 Series isn't a one-size-fits-all machine. With a wide range of colors, trims, and options to choose from, you can tailor the car to your unique style and needs. From the sporty M Performance package to the luxurious Vernasca leather upholstery, the possibilities are endless. Make the 4 Series a true reflection of your personality. The 4 Series carries on a rich legacy of iconic BMW coupes. It embodies the brand's dedication to driving dynamics, innovation, and design excellence. It's a car that pushes boundaries, that sets the standard for performance and style. The 2025 BMW 4 Series is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a symbol of your passion for driving, your desire for adventure, and your appreciation for the finer things in life. The optional rear entertainment system keeps your passengers entertained on long journeys. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the 4 Series keeps everyone connected and comfortable. Where will the 4 Series take you? The road awaits. The 2025 BMW 4 Series is a car for everyone who craves a dynamic and fulfilling driving experience. It's a car that caters to your individuality, your sense of adventure, and your desire for something truly special.